Day 4 in Florida. The weather today isn't that great because it was raining this morning, and then now it's kind of just like cloudy. I don't think it's gonna be like a bright sunny outside, but then it's fine as long as it's not rain. We still can go out. So right now we're actually going to do some shopping because we didn't do shopping yet. I do have like a list to go to do shopping. It's gonna be like a thrift stores or maybe like actually the shopping center. I do have a couple places that I really want to go. So yeah, let's see what we can get today. First stop, we didn't find anything good. The place wasn't that big actually, and maybe the stuff that they have also, it's not like our style. So maybe we can find something on the next place. But then now it's already, what time is it? It's almost 2 o'clock. So we are thinking to just get lunch first and then we continue shopping. We just finished our lunch and it's time to give a very honest review about this place. The food was okay, it's not that bad. You know, the price definitely cheaper than New York, and the sauce was pretty good, right? I would say it's pretty good. It's just like we, yeah, it's like we order hot though. We expected at least like a little bit spicier than that, but we literally feel like we got mild, right? And then the only thing that's I'm like really not satisfied about this place is the service. I would say we just sat down and then we just got our menu, and then the server just came to us and just like, "Do you guys ready to order?" I'm like, we don't even have a chance to read the menu yet, and then at least like he came like 3 times, right? Check on us like, yeah, but like we need little bit more time to like understand the menu and decide what we want, you know. And yeah, I think overall 1 to 10. 6. I'll say maybe about 5.5 to 6 to be honest, you know. We found a cute coffee shop, so we just stopped by, get some drinks. Mine is like mint, mocha, and cookie crumble. And for you, 26. Peach?
Peach Blitz.
Peach. What is inside that?
It's peach, rose, and
Red Bull.
some Red Bull flavors.
So try it. Cheers.
Good. Good try.
Mine with oat milk. Oh, sour.
It's good.
refreshing, sweet. Ooh. But the place is cute though. Very cute.
Here we are! Look forward to serving you next time!
It's very interesting place, guys. This is like a revolving hopper where you pick your stuff on this revolving machine right here. You have a stand for the meat, for the sauce, so you create your own sauce. And then they have a very good choice, actually, surprising. So let us enjoy the food.
How do you?
Hi guys, we're back to the hotel. We just finished our dinner, and it was such a amazing experience, right?
Definitely, yep.
What do you think about that place, though?
It was actually very pleasantly surprising. Everything from the staff, the service, the food, the atmosphere, everything about it was really good. The food was excellent. Everyone that was, serving us, from, the person who took our order to the people that, kept replenishing our plates, even though there was, no dirt on them. Everyone was so kind, and it was
Yeah.
really great.
We were late actually, like 45 minutes, because it was like a big crash all the way there.
Hmm.
So we had to find a way, another road to get there. And then we were actually late, right? 45 minutes. And then they were like actually fully booked for the rest of the night. But the manager, oh my God, she was amazing. She tried her best to give us a table. And at the end, yeah, we did get the table.
Hmm.
Oh, and then yeah, I really love the food and everything, to be honest. And it was just such a lot of food. And then it was not that bad, the price,
Yeah.
actually. It's pretty affordable.
So we have chicken karaage and we have chicken skin right now. We ordered chicken skin with the salt, and then the other one I think is a barbecue sauce, something like that. Tare. So yeah, this is what we got for now. Let's try it first. Very crunchy, very hot. But here we go. Cheers. Ooh. I wish they have a chili though, or something spicy. And let's try the chicken skin with the tare sauce. I like this one. Right now we do have the chicken thigh with the tare sauce, and then the chicken breast with the ginger and scallion, and we have the crab meat fried rice. Today we don't really have a plan. We went to the thrift store this morning, and then we stopped by here in the sushi place called Sushi Katana. Um, we saw it; they have a pretty good review, and it's pretty close from the thrift store. So we want to give it a try. And they also have a lunch special. It's a pretty good deal. It's pretty cheap. Comes with a salad, with the soup, and yeah, let's see the portion. I think it's gonna be good too. This is what I got. I got a lunch box. Comes with the beef katana, and then have also what is that, gyoza, spring roll, sushi. Wow, it's only $16 for the lunch special. And Douglas got like a mix of the sushi platter for about like $14, and comes with the salad as well. I think it's a pretty good deal. It's pretty good, but then like the texture is pretty dry, I would say. Again, lunch special, good deal. We are going to have a dinner, guys, with Douglas family in the one of restaurant inside the Universal Orlando. It's pretty cool actually. So after 6 p.m., the parking is free, and you can just also walk in the city walk. There's a lot of restaurants, there's a lot of things to do too. It's pretty cool. Today is our last day. Our flight back to New York is not until 6:35. So now it's currently at 11:30, I believe. So we are exploring Disney Spring. It's free, and the parking also free. So I think we're just gonna spend the rest of the day here because there's a lot of things to see and to explore. And then probably we're gonna have lunch here as well. And then later around 4, we're gonna go straight to the airport. So I can't believe it's so fast.
We waited so long for our food, I almost became a dinosaur party.
We are in the airport right now waiting for our boarding time, and we are about to fly back to New York. So I'll see you guys in New York. Bye bye.